You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific.
Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 78th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I am your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Bible Diary 2022 from Don Bosco Publishing, Hyderabad. Salesian cooperator gets presidential award for creating a turmeric revolution. Sister Eugenia Lalu reports from Shillong.
Miss Trinity Sayo of Jayanti Hills, Meghalaya was conferred the Padma Shri by the President of India, Ram Nath Kovind, at a glittering function in New Delhi on 8 November 2021. Trinity is a Salesian cooperator and school teacher from the small village of Mule of Maukandeng Parish in Jowai Diocese of Meghalaya in northeast India. The Presidential Award is India's fourth highest civilian honor for her contribution in promoting the best variety of the Indian spice, the Lakadong Chirmit turmeric. It took Trinity 18 years to make the turmeric revolution a sensation.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.